understand the frustrations Nairobians are undergoing, and I want to tell my brother, whom you are ready to support, Governor Sakaja, he should respect business people in Nairobi. We are not happy the way he's treating people in Nairobi. We are not happy the way people are complaining in Nairobi. We are not happy about the rampant corruption that is ongoing in Nairobi. He was elected to serve Nairobians, to work for Nairobians. He was not elected to punish Nairobians. We are not happy as leaders of Nairobi. And we want to tell him, the constitution is very clear. We can even use the people to mobilize signatures to send you home. So, this is about Nairobians. You either respect Nairobians, work for them, that the people who have elected you, don't punish business people, yeah? Do not be selective. Yeah? We don't want leadership to be applied selectively in Nairobi. Hati unasaidia chama fulani ambaye hata haikukuweka kwa kiti. Yeah? So you are our brother, we are ready to support you in a very big way, but please behave like a governor. Unajua ni Uhuru tu alileta ujuaji mingi ya pesa 8, but ingekuwa kwa debe wewe usingekuwa governor Nairobi. And we are watching you as Nairobians. I'm a resident of Nairobi. Yeah? I'm a voter of Nairobi. But please, respect the great people of Nairobi. Na kungolewa si lazima wananchi wa kungoe. I mean, MCAs na senators wa kungoe. We can use the power of the people to remove you from that seat. Tunakunyamazia sana because we respect you, we respect the president, we respect the UDA Party ile imekuwa kwa kiti. But ukianza kinyoriro ya kudharau UDA na president na deputy president, I'm sure we are going to cause havoc kwako. Hutarani hiyo Nairobi vizuri wewe. Please respect the great people of Nairobi. Watu wa transport, watu wa biashara, sit with them. Yeah? MCAs wame live to ban. Yeah, but owners na clubs. Yeah? Wewe unasema it is still there. Wewe wacha mchezo bana. Ulipigiwa kura na wananchi kukalia hiyo kiti. Wacha kudharau wananchi. Club owners, bar owners, let them work vizuri. Let them wakae chini na watu ya mashule, watu ya residents. We agree volume ina gani itakuwa ndako kwa clubs ziendelee kufanya biashara. People have invested in their biasharas. You cannot wake up just one day to say unafunga clubs. Whom do you think you are? Behave, my friend. Wacha hiyo toto yako kwa mingi.